Latest leaks mention that Samsung Galaxy S9 vertical line S9 Plus will have Exynos 9810 or Snapdragon 845 chipset with 6 GB of RAM capacity. For the camera, Samsung S9 Plus will immerse double camera technology on the flagship candidate besutannya, and single camera for the standard S9 version, and kemera front will be equipped with features 3D sensor for both. The sources that state it do not explain what they mean by 3D sensor, but it sounds very similar to the iPhone X's Face ID system that allows using face recognition to unlock the phone. Small changes may also be made by moving the Samsung fingerprint sensor under the camera, not next to the camera for the Galaxy S9. But it is still uncertain whether it will actually happen or not. This will of course be a major consideration due to the many criticisms of the Galaxy S8, which is where the fingerprint sensor position is right next to the camera. The range of Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus mentioned will have a similar look to its predecessor but has better specifications. Both models are SMG 960 and SMG 965 and will have a 5.8-inch Super AMOLED screen for S9 and 6.2 inches for S9 Plus. Both are also still carrying the Screen Infinity display just like its predecessor, the Galaxy S8. Samsung also plans to make its new phone compatible with DeX docking station. DeX docking station is the latest technology that can make a compatible smartphone when connected with an external monitor,